Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use night light on your laptop. Assuming you're new, you want to use night light on your laptop, this video is for you. But before I proceed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the video notifications to get everything I post. And these are the kind of contents I do on my channel: how to find trending tokens, how to analyze tokenomics. In my videos, I also dropped my Telegram link there. If you want to reach me on Telegram, feel free to reach me. I offer tutorials on meme coins and all that, but I also do some tutorials on your laptop. Every general knowledge on how to is what I do on my channel. Now let's proceed on how to use the night light on your laptop. Assuming you work at night and you want a better experience for using your laptop, because obviously the laptops and most times your system, the rays and everything affects the eyes. So now you're going to just click on this display, and there it is. You see the night light on your laptop. We have it at this point. You show warmer colors on your display and help you sleep. And this is it, in case you're working at night and you want to use them here. But we're not working at night now, so we're not using it. If you want to make a schedule for your night light, and you can easily set it up anytime you want it. Anytime you want it at night, you can easily set it up, or so that you don't forget. You set it up and schedule it to start by 9 p.m. or 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. in case you work overnight. Like as you can see from my time in here, this is 4 a.m. here. So in case you work overnight, this will be nice for you. But now we don't need it, so we're not using it. This is right now. We don't need it, so we're not using it. I'm making a video, so it has to be clear. So right now, this is how to set your night light on your laptop on your Windows 11. If you want to use it, Windows 11 Pro or any laptop of your choice, just go to the settings. You check the system and click on display. Click on display. You find the night light, and switch it to the resolution of your choice, whichever way you want it. If you switch it and turn it on, there it is. If this is better for you, but we're not using that now, so we'll just take it back to where we met it and just turn it off. I don't need it. So thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure you share my video, like my videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.